Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by setting up and verifying your Dreamstime account so you can upload immediately. Once done, gather your best files, aim for 3+ MP and noise-free images that tell a clear story. Make sure IPT fields are filled, descriptive title, 7-15 focused keywords, and release forms for people or property. This saves time later and increases discoverability. Now open the contributor portal and get ready to upload a tight, curated batch rather than hundreds of random shots. You'll use the batch uploader to speed the process, drag, drop, and assign categories so images land in the right collections. Then, write precise titles and add 7-15 targeted keywords that buyers will search. Include synonyms and plural forms. Choose license types, editorial when news-related or commercial for advertising, and attach any model or property releases. Once metadata is complete, submit for review. Keep an eye on the contributor dashboard for status updates and rejection reasons so you can act quickly. After approvals, you monitor performance metrics, views, downloads, and rejection rates to learn what works. Once you see trends, tweak pricing, add similar images, and refresh keywords to match buyer searches. Make use of collections and featured sets to boost visibility. If an image is rejected, read the reviewer notes carefully. Often it's fixable metadata or minor retouching. Revise the file or text, add missing releases, then resubmit. Staying proactive keeps your portfolio selling and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.